Wishing you a very happy Pordanal. Have a great one. Hope the next 60 years of your life are blessed with a lot of joy, happiness, good health. Have a blast on your birthday. All the best.
Hi Dev, wish you a very happy birthday. I think you're now getting into sexy 60s, though you don't look a day beyond 30 and you still give us a complex. Well, it's been almost 12 years since we've known each other through those early days of Landmark Forum and coming over to your house in Alsur. That was literally our 24/7 pad. Some great memories. You've been a great friend. Wish you all the best for the future. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling.
Happy 60th, Dev. Wow, 60. That was my reaction when Chelna told me it's your 60th. That means I've known you half your life, last 30 years. Son, wish him.
I know you most of your life, son.
Son, he's older than you. Wish him, Sanj.
Wish you the best.
Always.
Always.
And you have set goals for us to get to 60 and look like you.
Wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. You're the youngest 60-year young man I know. And all the best to you. Have a blast today and the whole year. We do celebrate when we can get together.
Hi Dev, wishing you a happy 60th birthday. The young man has turned 60, can't believe it. Just the same, not changed ever since I've known you. Keep it up, keep it going, God bless, and stay safe and well.
Hi there, many happy returns of the day. Can't believe it, you turned 60th. Maybe your fitness routine keeping you so fit. So I hope you come next year over here and celebrate your birthday with me out here in USA. So have a rocking celebration and have fun and keep yourself safe. Bye, take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dev. Happy birthday to you. We love you. You're one of our sweetest friends who's not changed over the years and years and years. Happy 60th. Happy 40th. Actually, it looks 30. Dev.
Happy 30th.
Yeah, happy 30th. Okay, and getting away with this, we want a big party, small party when Corona's on, but big party after it's over. Love you, love you, love you.
Wish you all the best. Have a great day and a wonderful year. Take care. Bye.
TDL. That's what we used to call you. We'll still continue calling you the Dev Lekhi. How are you, bro? 60 already? I was surprised when I got this message that I must say a few words about you on your 60th birthday. Because you don't look a day over 40, bro. You've really looked after yourself. I guess that's the advantage of being, small made. Because that guy who's small made will always look young. So stay young, bro. We've had some great times together. One of the first people I met when I came into this town was you. You were helpful then and you're helpful now. You've always been of great help. You've been a great friend. And I wish you good health. I wish you all the best for the next 60. If this is 60, then I'm sure there's another 60 coming up for you. And have a good one. Enjoy yourself. And remember, we are in COVID times. So, 1 minute. Let me do this properly. Yeah. We're in COVID times. So, stay safe, stay masked. And this will also remind you that on your 60th birthday, we all had to wear this in those times. Cheers, buddy. God bless you, man. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dev.
Happy birthday, Dev, and welcome to the elite club.
We just realized that we've known you for more than half your life, by the way. So have a fabulous day and all the very best in the coming years.
Yeah, take care, have a safe day, and enjoy your newfound liberties. Life begins at 60.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dev. Wow, I can't believe you're 60. You're more like 16. Have a super duper birthday and have a super decade. We are all catching up with you soon. And hopefully when we all meet in real time, we will party together. I'm also sending a song with this video, which reminds me completely of you. Have a good one, buddy.
Hi Dave, this is Sanjay. I wish you a very happy birthday and lots of fun this year. Let's catch up as soon as possible.
Hi Dave, wishing you a very very happy birthday dear. Enjoy, always hilao. Please go to Goa with your English novel. Try patao some babes. Freeload on the kitty, booze kitty. Drink free booze. Puke it out. Love you. Hila hila.
Happy birthday, Dave.
Hi Dave. I have a lot of memories about you as a kid, but the abiding memory of you is of you being a gentle giant. Actually, I like you. I mean, I was 4 foot nothing at that time, and you were 5 foot nothing probably at that time, you know, when you were kids. But that 1 foot was a lot of feet between us, and I used to be scared of you. But afterwards, you were protective, you know, and I stopped getting scared of you. And it was an experience when I realized that everyone big is not threatening. And of course, the other memory I have of you is of your backhand slice serves when we were playing TT. It was like crazy. You used to come, I used to be like a dhakku guy who could get everything back, and you used to come and it used to just fly off my racket. I said, Dev aaya, abhi chalo jao. So, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy yourself, have a drink on me, and we'll meet one day.
Hey Dev, a very happy 60th birthday. Wow, what a milestone it's been. And many more to come, especially in the bedroom with all the bad teas. I remember meeting you in Mumbai in the 80s when I met you through Manjo and Ajay Mittal when I came to study there. Wow, and what a journey it's been. All our trips to Goa, you lying on my sleeping bag, drinking that wine with that bottle and a bag with your capsule, which was never used. And of course the novel that I never forget. All the joints that you had on my sleeping bag. You inhaled a lot of sand, but at the same time you never gave up. And you're fit as a fiddle still. Wow, I really loved those trips to Goa. Also the time when you came to Cleveland, when you spent a weekend with me there. I remember we drove down to Toronto in my pizza delivery van. More like a van, wasn't a car, more like a van. And when we got to your very, very beautiful friend's place, she immediately threw us out and said, I've organized a bed and breakfast for you, you can't stay at my place. And lo and behold, we were all shunted out of there, bag and baggage in hand. And then we humbly stayed in a bed and breakfast. Very well organized though. Sorry to have cut that video short, Dave. But in a nutshell, we've had a great journey together. And have a great 60th birthday and many more to come. Stay safe and God bless. Adios.
Hey Dave, happy 60th birthday, my friend, and we wish you all the joy, all the love, and all the luck in the year ahead. God bless and have a great, great, great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Dave. Have a fantastic time, and we will celebrate soon together.
Hi Dave, happy birthday. This is awesome because it's a special day for you and it's a special day for all of us because we know you since ever since you've come to Bangalore and you got married and we were introduced by Noman, to this wonderful young couple called Dev and Chelna, and our friendship goes beyond so many things. But you're one person who hasn't changed one bit. You're ever youthful, you're happy, you have always a beaming smile, and I wish you all the very best for the years to come. Have a great day.
Hey Dev, wish you a happy birthday.
60 and fabulous. Dave, have a great day and let's party. Happy birthday.
Hey Dave, happy birthday buddy. Fantastic to see you age the way you have. You really set a milestone for all of us to strive towards. love the way you manage stress, manage joy, manage life. It's a lesson for all of us to be like that. But here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Look forward to spending the next 60 years with you, brother. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi Dave, wish you a happy 60th birthday and have a great year. All the best.
They wish you a very happy, special 60th birthday, celebrating in this special way, in this special year 2020. And we hope to celebrate soon in our own Punjabi way. Happiness to you always. Hi Dave, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great 60th. We would have had a great time together if it wasn't for this pandemic, but we'll do it sooner than later. Bye.
Hi Dave, 60 years and you're still rocking. You're one of the first guys in our group to cross this milestone. Have a wonderful day and a great year. Cheers to you.
Hey Dave, I was just telling Preetham, I love this attitude of yours, live and let live. Lots to learn from you. Stay blessed, have an awesome year and a very, very healthy one too.
Wish you a very, very, very happy, sexy, naughty, hotty 60th birthday. I'm here at a party and I want to wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. Love you, love you, love you. Cheers! Woo!
Birthday, dearest Dave. Lots of love to our long relationship and many more years to come. Bye, lots of love.
Hi Dave, happy 60th. Missing all the Goa days and missing all of y'all. Have fun, have a great year. Bye.
Hi Dave.
Yes, wishing you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Many more years to come. Hope to see you soon, sir.
God bless.
God bless, man.
Hey Dave, happy birthday, buddy. Wish you a lot of more 60s to come. And please, one request. Now that you're aging so much, you're old, you're a senior citizen. Stop sending those essays, buddy. Because you got to be. I mean, we youngsters don't like it. So. You can keep it for your old age friends who are 60 plus or 50 plus or whatever. Happy birthday, buddy. Have a great time tomorrow. Bye.
They wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. You're the youngest 60-year young man I know. And all the best to you. Have a blast today and the whole year. We do celebrate when we can get together.
Hi Dave, this is Deepu. Happy birthday.
Hi Dave, happy 60th. This is Sunita. I'm sure you'll have a blast. You're one of the nicest and sweetest person I know. We've had some great times together. Remember Goa, you, Abhay, and all your one-liners? It's a pity we don't meet as often. It's always a pleasure to catch up with you.
Happy birthday, Dave. Wish you a very, very, very happy 60th birthday. Love your total let go and the way you can interact with anyone so nicely without any hesitation. Really love that. I always been fully comfortable whenever we are at your home and when I are with you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hi Dave.
Yes, I can hear you.
Wish you a super birthday. It's been so long since I have met my namesake. It's always very, very wonderful. You've got that brotherly love around you. It's an ambience around you, that halo around your head. Probably because you care for everybody, you like to look after people, you like to make sure others are comfortable.
No, I won't feel that.
And so it's always beautiful, comforting. Feel a lot of love when you're around, a lot of masti, like a like a young Makapao kid you are with a choti of yours. I'm sure it must be fun for your family to have you around all the time, masti, naughtiness. So wish you a lot of good health, a lot of fun travels, your wife, a lot of togetherness with your son.
So I will just send you one.
And hope WhatsApp didn't cut my video. So I hope that we will do a lot of many more retreats or programs together.
Okay.
And wish you a lot of love, happiness. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे